Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. Happy Monday again. Yes, I have 2 videos for you today. So I am super excited to be doing this video. I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the classic candy box. This box is really fun. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it first. And that is it. Well, first of all, it is found on Cratejoy. And it is a monthly subscription, and you receive 1 to 1.5 pounds of candy every month, and it's usually at least about 25 pieces, and it's classic candy. And it says, "You'll feel like a kid at the candy store when you open your first classic candy box. We have a huge variety of all the classic candy you loved as a kid. Each month you could expect to receive full-sized, hard-to-find classic candies from throughout the decades." And then it talks about, you know, the 1 to 1.5 pounds, and it could vary between chocolate, hard candies, chewy candies, and anything in between. And prices do start at $17.97 a month, so it just depends on the level of subscription that you go with. So we're going to dive in, and I'm going to show you the March 2019 Classic Candy Box. But before we do that, I do want to let you guys know, you probably saw in the title, this is a giveaway video because they sent me 2 boxes. So I will be sending 1 box to you guys. All you have to do to be entered into the giveaway to receive one of these, it's the exact same box, is make sure you are subscribed, make sure you do like this video, and make sure that you do leave a comment, and somewhere in the comment put the word candy. I will be using a random comment picker, and I will let this run, let's see, today is March 11th. I'll let it run for 2 weeks, so till March 25th, and make sure, like I said, you're subscribed, you like the video, you leave a comment, and make sure the word candy is in the comment. You do have to live in the US or have a US shipping address, and that's really pretty much it. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here and what you could potentially win. So let's dive in. Like I said, I've done this review 1 time before, and it was super fun, and I am so excited to see what we've got for March. So there is always a card or like a pamphlet, and it will tell you about all of the different items. This is what we see when we open it. So we are just going to dive in. What I like about this box is because it comes in and it's a subscription, I can pick through, and it's almost like the opposite of Halloween, where I'll pick through and kind of get what I want, and then I'll let Christopher have some dibs. As opposed to me trying to sneak some of his Halloween candy here and there. This one is for Mama. So let's see, right here on top, the very first thing I see is dots. I actually really do enjoy these, and let's see. What I like about this subscription is it tells you when these first came out, and these first came out in 1945. So that is awesome. I didn't realize these had been out that long. So, some dots. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is awesome. We got some Pop Rocks from 1961. Yes, this says original flavor. This is the retro pack from the 70s, and this is in cherry. Still popping after 40 years. So, yay. Oh, my mom, this is like one of her favorites. Okay. This is Sugar Babies, a spin-off from the Sugar Daddy. They're a bite-sized classic chewy milk chocolate caramel treat. These are from 1935. And let's see. Looks like we've got a couple of these in here, and I do remember these. These are the Safety Pops. Each lollipop has a letter or number, making them educational for a great giveaway for teachers, doctors, or anyone who works with children. These are from 1940. I do remember these. And I would like twist this around. I remember that. Loved it. All right, so let's move right along. Oh boy. Another one of my mom's favorites and Christopher's. We've got some Nerds right here. And these are from 1983. Nerds was recognized as the candy of the year by the National Candy Wholesaler Association. Nerds have often come with 2 different flavors within one box. So yeah, usually sometimes the bigger boxes will have like grape and strawberry or something, and somehow I got a squiggly over here on my shirt. Not really going in order. I'm bouncing all around, but that's okay. Ooh, now these are good. Okay. The Mallow Cup. These are 1936. Milk chocolate coating containing coconut with a whipped marshmallow cream center. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, and these. Love these. Sweet Tarts. These are from 1963. Sweet and sour candies that are similar to Pixie Sticks. Flavors, cherry, grape, lime, lemon, and orange. We all know about our Sweet Tarts. And let's see, we've got something here. We've got quite a few of them actually. Let's see. Not sure. All right, looks like I got them all. And I, for some reason, vaguely remember these. Let's see. Do these look familiar? These are, where'd they go? I just saw them. BB Bats. These are from 1924. Bats are a classic taffy candy on a stick that resembles a baseball bat, coming in many flavors. Looks like we got 3 chocolate and 3 banana in my box. And, I do remember these as well. A bubblegum cigar. These are from 1928. These gum cigars are some of the coolest candies offered. Gum cigars start out as a firm bubblegum but soften up as you chew them. I do remember this when I was a kid. And here we have, these were actually mentioned earlier, Pixie Sticks. These are from 1942. Ooh, originally sold as a drink mix, Pixie Sticks are a tasty powder kids love straight out of the package. Give yourself a sugar rush with Pixie Sticks. So yay. And what is this? Now this I don't think I've ever heard of. Clove gum. This is from 1914. This clove flavored gum was very popular around the time of Prohibition. Now this I don't think I would like. I don't really care for clove. So I'm not sure what to do with this guy because clove is such a strong flavor. So, but it's interesting. It's very interesting and I've never heard of it. So let's see, what else do we have in here? We have got, wow, I haven't seen this in a long time. A Charleston Chew, 1922. Enjoy a chewy flavored nougat with a delicious chocolatey coating. Now this one says try frozen. This is strawberry. So that's interesting. Very, very interesting. And then we have got, let's see. Oh, there was one more of these suckers in here. We have got oh, and another pack of Nerds. And another pixie stick. I'm finding all kinds of stuff buried in here. Oh, 2 more pixie sticks. Okay. All right, so this looks like, okay, it looks like we have 4 of these. Zots. These are from 1968. Their hard outside and sour fizzle on the inside make these a favorite classic candy. I don't know that I've heard of these. But we have a watermelon, an apple, strawberry, and orange. And then we have, I see a couple of these in here. We have some Now and Laters. The name Now and Later is meant to suggest that you could eat some right away and you could save some for later. This candy is shaped like a square and packaged into a colorful paper wrapper. 1962. So we have those. And then we have quite a few of these in here. Just gonna pick up a few. And I'm very excited for these because these I do remember at my grandmother's house all the time, and they are actually so good. And these are from the 1800s. These are the butterscotch buttons, individually wrapped in gold wrappers. These rich sweets are the perfect treat. And these are so good. They really are. And it looks like we have one more item, which honestly are probably one of my absolute favorites. And there are quite a few in here. Again, I'm just gonna pick up a couple. These are the little caramel, what do they call them? Caramel chews. These are from 1950. They have the like cream center. Sometimes known as the bullseye candy, caramel creams are a soft, chewy candy with a caramel jacket and a pure sugar cream center. And y'all, that center, it just like melts. It's so good. So yes, so happy to have those. So this was a fun box. So I am excited. Quite a bit in there that Christopher will love. A couple of things I think my mom will enjoy. I'll pass along to her, and then I will enjoy some as well. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I think it's super fun. It's a different way to, you know, get stuff that reminds you of being a kid or things, you know, like it says, kind of hard to find. I'm not exactly sure if the variations are all the same in the box that I will be sending, because here, that was my box that I opened, and we'll grab right here. This is the other box. So this is the box that one of you guys will win and that I will send to you. So again, just to go over the rules one more time, make sure you are subscribed, you do like this video, and leave a comment containing the word candy. You could say whatever you want, just make sure the word candy is in the comment, and make sure you do have a US shipping address. This will run until March 25th, so 2 weeks from today. And then I will use the random comment picker and pick a winner and send you guys a classic candy box. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure that everything is going to be like the Charleston Chew could be different. You know, you could have different flavor of Pop Rocks, but you are going to receive all of these same items. Like I said, the flavors could just be different. So I hope you enjoy, whoever does win, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So let me know down below what you guys think of Classic Candy Box, and I hope you all have a great day. Happy Monday again, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.